Actually, I do not. If we understand this president, and even Democrats that have previously supported and voted for walls in the past, this is an issue. I lived in Southern California, just 7 miles from Mexico as a young boy. I lived there for many, many years. And I can tell you from personal experience, and I have intimate personal family members that work for our federal agencies that are charged to secure this border. They support this president's
But
effort to safeguard the national and American people. So I believe this is absolutely, and it has
is
been.
this money? I mean, Trump is saying that he can get up to $8 billion from government funds. Is that really the best way to protect Americans? I mean, what about spending it on reducing crime or reducing drug dependence or improving education? Don't all those things work more effectively?
Well, first off, this $8 billion is not going to come from those buckets of money that you just described. So, majority of this money is going to be coming from the Department of Defense, which again is to defend, right, the American people. That's what they are charged to do. So he is reallocating what's already been budgeted to safeguard the border. And again, this is not coming from President Trump personally. He's listening to the experts and professionals that are on the border, and he is doing what they are suggesting. Well, the obstruction is where we've become as a country is so divided because, look, the Democrats, this is all about anti-president, anti-Trump. Truly, they're at fault for not understanding the need of this emergency, yet they did in the past. So what has changed? It's called President Trump. He's in office. They don't want to help him, support him in any way, and that's what's a shame. We have a national emergency because—
But is bypassing
look,
Congress the right way to go about this? Isn't Congress supposed to be the whole point of democracy? And does the fact that he's bypassed Congress, which Democrats are saying, you know, this is unconstitutional, does this wall even stand up to legal scrutiny?
I believe, well, I'm not an attorney and I don't sit on the Supreme Court, but I believe it is. And I think my previous colleagues, I think, though I respect them and appreciate their input, I think they're a little bit off touch because in the end, again, the correspondent was talking about the politicians don't support this. Well, but the American people do. And again, my colleague in Georgia, again, it's about national security and the principles of that. There are people that are dying on every single day with regard to immigration, the illegal immigration that is coming into this country. How is that? How can this be politicized as it has become? Are we not Americans? Do we not care about our own people? We should be doing all that we can to safeguard the American people. This president is a leader. He's focused on doing the right thing for the right reasons, and that is exactly what he's doing.
Rob, thank you very much indeed for joining us. Good to have you with us. Rob Arlett there.
Thank you.